Okay, this is a supplement to the event emails, but for the folks at Morrison Lake. Sometimes with some of this software, it defaults to Arrowhead just because Arrowhead is where I started, and everything I set up was through Arrowhead. So sometimes it wants to keep Arrowhead on there, and it'll automatically fill Arrowhead stuff in there. So that's just something we have to be aware of. So I assume you remember how to get to here. We're working with a two-man scramble now. We're going to create a new email. Hit next. We're going to change this name to Two-Man Scramble 2019. Now here's a perfect example. It wants to automatically put Arrowhead in there, so we have to change Morrison. It does have the proper email addresses. Hit continue. And then here's another example. Let's change this. We can kill two birds with one stone. Let's just change this, and we're going to change this to the two-man logo. If you want to change the way that looks, you just go to here. Two-man logo is what I'm looking for. This will be in logos eventually. It isn't right now, but it will be. So if you have to look for this, don't look in tournaments, look in logos. And here it is. We're going to insert that. Good to go. And again, you know how to do all this, so I'm not going to show us this. Here is one that we have to change. We have to change this. We need to change this to Morrison Lake, to the proper address. There it goes. Ba, 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 ba. Hit save and close. Save. Continue. Obviously, you would go through all the steps. And then this is where we showed you. Again, this has to be to Morrison Lake Golf Course tourneys. Save and next. You would go through this process. And yeah, so that would be for Morrison Lake. Just you have to always please be careful that when we're mixing and matching, that the proper course is being shown and it's being branded by the proper course. That's small detail, but very important. Thank you.